Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to solve this exponential equation 5 to the power x times 25 to the power x is equal to 50. Or left side, this 5 to the power x times 25, we can write this as 5 square. This is 25 and whole to the power this x is equal to right side, this is 50. Or this 5 to the power x times applying formula a to the power b whole to the power c is equal to a to the power b times c. So applying this formula, we will get 5 to the power this 2 times x, that means twice x is equal to this right side 50. Or now applying formula a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Applying this exponential formula, we can write 5 to the power this x plus this twice x is equal to right side 50. Or this 5 to the power x plus twice x, this is thrice x is equal to this 50. Now taking log to the both side, we will get log of this 5 to the power 3x is equal to right side will be log of this 50. Or now applying logarithm formula, log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. So it will be this 3x times this log of 5. Log of 5 is equal to this log, and 50 can be written as 5 square. This is 25 times 2. This is 50. Now left side, this is 3x times log of 5 is equal to applying formula log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So applying this formula, we will get log of 5 square, this as log a plus log b, that means log of 2. Or this left side, 3x log of 5, again applying formula log a to the power b is equal to b times log a, this 2 times this log of 5 plus this log of 2. Now divided both side by this 3 times log of 5, we will get the value of x. So left side, this will be 3x log of 5 divided by this 3 log of 5. 3 times log of 5 is equal to this 2 log of 5 divided by this 3 times log of 5 plus this log of 2 divided by this 3 times log of 5. Or this 3 and this 3 will cancel, and log 5 and log 5 will cancel, and it will be x is equal to, here log 5 and log 5 will cancel and remain 2 over 3 plus this 3 will be 1 over 3 times this log of 2 divided by this log of 5, and we will get the value of x is equal to this 2 over 3 plus this 1/3 of log 2 divided by log of 5, we can write this as log of this 5 base of this 2. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.